Right, Sunny Bonani, Abantwana, and welcome everybody back again to another video lesson on the PAT Grade 12, 2026. And I hope you're working through the videos and that your PAT is looking good. Your covers and everything and the layout is all good. All right, good. Today I'm going to focus on this task definition, where we're on page 14 of the PAT document as supplied by the department, and we're going to look at defining the task. Right, now, this is quite intense, this one, guys, because you've got to, in your own words, using a font size of 12 as a guide, okay, create yourself a task definition. All right, so the task definition is basically described in this section of the PAT. So you need to provide a clear statement, indicate the focus and the purpose of your investigation, specify in broad terms how you approach the task, okay, and identify a realistic target audience. All right, and then when you are writing this, consider these as questions to help guide you. You know, what is the current situation? You know, what are we learning from this? What will the focus and the purpose be of my investigation? And how will I go about investigating and considering the PAT requirements? And who will the target audience be? Note, keep in mind, in the long term, when choosing the issue or the challenge or the opportunity facing the sector, you will also need appropriate data and information. Okay, very important that you can process in a spreadsheet. Okay, so guys, what I've done is I just want to go back to my PAT quickly, all right? So that was our little introduction, okay? And here is now the task definition. And you can see what I've done. I have now typed out a task definition for myself, okay? And I've also added in maybe 2 pictures, which I'll put a reference with to update my table of figures as well. Right, so what you've got to gather from this is those 4 or 5 aspects that you've got to put in. Okay, so guys, you can see I've taken quite some time to think about what I want to put in there as the task definition. The current situation is that online gaming has become one of the fastest growing forms of entertainment worldwide, especially among young people and consumers who spend a lot of time online. Okay, so I'm narrowing this down every time in sections. Okay, guys, so you know, you need to write. You need another Word document open where you can put your thoughts together. Okay. Many individuals play games for fun or relaxation or social interaction, but they are also concerned about gaming affects consumers in terms of their time, their money, their health, and their relationships. Okay, online gaming is no longer just a hobby. It has become a major industry. And you know what, guys, if you look at e-games and the money that it generates around the world, it's pretty amazing. Online gaming is no longer just a hobby. It's become a major industry that influences consumers' behavior, spending patterns, and even lifestyle choices. This investigation is important because it helps me understand both positive and negative impacts of online gaming on the consumer today. Can you see that, guys? So I'm really explaining now what this focus is going to be. The focus of my investigation will be to explore how online gaming affects consumers in different ways. I will look at aspects such as financial impact, for example, when we purchase games online or we take subscriptions, the social impact, how gaming influences our communication, relationships, and personal impacts such as health, productivity, and emotional well-being. So, guys, I'm not going to read through this whole thing, but you can see that I've taken time to explain this in very nice terms how. Okay, then I think what I'm going to end this off with is my target audience, okay, and give you some guidance there. Right, the target audience for my final report will be learners, teachers, and parents who want to understand how online gaming influences consumers. It will also be useful for people who play games themselves or those who are interested in how technology affects society. So that is the last part there, your target audience. Okay, you need to decide who you want to and what you want to target by doing this pat. Okay, does that help out a little bit, guys? Okay, so there's the task definition in detail. And actually, I'm just going to add in my 2 references for my table of figures, and that page is good to go. The next lesson, we'll be focusing on the focus question, and we'll come down as this carries on through the pat. So quite a lot of work still to go, guys. So stay up to date, get it done, and then you know you're done. Right. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining the channel. Please like and subscribe. You're welcome to ask questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible to answer those. Salani Gashle, Hambani Gashle, Kiala Bocha. Thanks, guys.